Hi, Mountain here. I'm here to show you how you can play Crazy Zoo. It's one of the games on Niki Live. So what you do is you click games, the game icon, then you click Crazy Zoo, and it's loading. So basically, what you need to know is the environments in which animals have to, or they race faster than any other. So in this case, you've been given a wolf. We've also been given an elephant and an ostrich. So I'm selecting the wolf, the war dog, and I'm placing the coins there. And there we go. Let's observe what's happening. And it comes out first. So I've won. I've mastered this game. So what is that you need to know? You need to actually take note of the animals that are going to compete, and then you consider the environment in which they're going to compete. Consider also the vast area. Which one is it? Is it the wetland, and which among the three animals is likely to race faster in that vast land? If these others would get stuck, then go by the one that you feel can actually run fastest than these others. That's how we go about Crazy Zoo. It's all about considering the animals and the environment in which they're going to run. Pick on an animal that you feel can run faster than the others.